Hello, my champions. Ever wondered how to make your holiday experience more enjoyable and stress-free? Well, wonder no more. Today, we will delve into 20 top tips that are sure to make your next holiday a memorable one. Tip 1. Start planning early. The early bird catches the worm, and in the case of holidays, the early planner gets the best deals. Tip 2. Set a budget. Knowing how much you're willing to spend can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and keep your holiday stress-free. Tip 3. Choose a destination that suits your interests. Whether you're a history buff or a beach bum, picking a location that appeals to your passions can enhance your holiday experience. Tip 4. Research local customs and traditions. This not only shows respect for the local culture, but can also enrich your holiday experience. Tip 5. Pack light. It's always easier to travel with less baggage. Besides, you'll need some space for souvenirs. Tip 6. Get travel insurance. It might seem like an unnecessary expense, but it can save you a lot of trouble in case of unexpected incidents. Tip 7. Check the weather. Knowing what to expect can help you pack appropriately and plan your activities. Tip 8. Keep important documents in a safe place. Losing your passport or tickets can be a nightmare. Always keep them secure and make copies if possible. Tip 9. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. This can help you navigate easier and make a good impression on the locals. Tip 10. Try local cuisine. It's part of the cultural experience and you might discover a new favorite dish. Tip 11. Stay hydrated. Especially in hot climates, drinking plenty of water is essential. Tip 12. Respect the environment. Remember, you're a guest in someone else's home. Leave no trace behind. Tip 13. Keep an open mind. Be ready to try new things and have unexpected experiences. Tip 14. Take plenty of photos. They're the best souvenirs and will help you remember your holiday for years to come. Tip 15. Use public transportation. It's usually cheaper and gives you a better feel for the local culture. Tip 16. Be aware of your surroundings. This can help you avoid dangerous situations and keep you safe. Tip 17. Get some rest. Holidays are for relaxing. Don't overdo it and make sure to get plenty of sleep. Tip 18. Stay connected. Keep your loved ones updated about your whereabouts and experiences. Tip 19. Have a daily plan. It helps you make the most of your time without feeling rushed. Finally, tip 20. Enjoy every moment. After all, holidays are about making memories and having fun. To summarize, start planning early, set a budget, choose a destination that interests you, respect local customs, pack light, get travel insurance, check the weather, keep important documents safe, learn some local language, try local cuisine, stay hydrated, respect the environment, keep an open mind, take photos, use public transport, be aware of your surroundings, rest, stay connected, have a daily plan, and most importantly, enjoy every moment. Armed with these 20 tips, your next holiday is bound to be a great one. Enjoy your travels and stay positive.